Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 9 of the ICT Level 2 exam preparation worksheet. In this exercise we need to calculate the costs of making homemade chocolate. We want to compare the costs of the coffee nut with the strawberry Brazil chocolates. To calculate the total costs, we need to use the formula if, returning the cost of the ingredients when there is a yes in column D and F. Then we need to create a graph for the coffee nut chocolate only. As first thing, we need to format the table, so highlight from cell B7 to cell G21, go to the home ribbon and select all borders, then change fill color for the headings. Now, select from cell B7 to cell G7 and apply the filter to the table from the home ribbon menu. We need to organize the ingredients in alphabetical order, then from the filter in column B, select it Organize from AZ. Let's use the formula if to return the cost prices in column E and column G. Select cell E8 and type equal, if, open brackets, D8 equal to, open quotation mark, yes, close quotation mark, comma, C8, comma, open and close quotation, as we want to return an empty cell, close brackets and press enter to finalize the formula. Using the fill handle applied the former to the whole column. Select cell G8 and type equal, if, open brackets, F8 equal to, open quotation mark, yes, close quotation mark, comma, C8, comma, open and close quotation, as we want to return an empty cell, close brackets and press enter to finalize the formula. Using the fill handle applied the former to the whole column. Now let's calculate the total in column E and column G using the auto sum. At last, let's format column C, column E, and column G as accounting. Now we need to apply the filter to only show the ingredient of the coffee nut chocolate. We will need to create a graph for this. Select column B, hold down the control button, select column E and press F11 to create the graph in a different tab. Clear the filter, then rename the tab as C11 and move it after E10. Now feel free to format the graph as you like. I am using a column chart, but feel free to change it to pie chart or bar chart if you prefer. Also choose any formatting or color you like. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.